Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today is day 15 of 90 days challenge. In this video I'm going to share about something that you because I am beginner, and if you are beginner, and then we speak while we speak English, we are hesitant. Guys, while we speaking English we are hesitant, and most of the time we rush while we speak English. We rush most of the time, we hesitant. But what's the problem? And why not we speak confidently, we speak more effectively? What's the problem? So in this video I'm going to share about what's the reason behind it, what's the reason of hesitant, and what's the solution, so that's why we improve our speaking skill, because speaking is most important factor in English. Okay, so shall we start this video? First I talk about all reason behind it, and okay, then we talk about solution behind it. Okay, first reason is this: fear of mistake. Fear of mistake. Beginner every time thinking that while I speak English, fear of mistakes, I mistake every time, I stuck at that point. So these mistakes, I making these mistakes in while speaking. So this is first problem. And second problem, pressure of grammar. Grammar pressure. Every beginner thinking that while I speak English, then I mistake grammar's topic, and I think about verbs, I think about tenses, how to use, how to pronunciation like this, and not make proper sentence on every topic because of fear of grammar. Third reason is lack of practice. This is more important. If you are agree, then you comment on chat box. Lack of practice. Everyone wants to improve English, but they not practice. So why we not think about on practice? Because we know, practice make perfect, and practice improve your English, improve our English, improve my English. So that is the main problem, main reason. Fourth reason is this: comparison. Because comparison, because we watch video on YouTube, we read books, other articles, and novels and stories, and most of the time we visit, we watching videos, and something like related to English, but then we compare to speaker. This is not a problem, but we really really compare to each and every person who speak confidently, who speak perfectly. We judge everyone because of I'm not speaking English. He speak perfectly, she speak perfectly, she good speak English, but I am not speaking English perfectly and good way. So that is the main reason of hesitant. Now, guys, we talk about on solution, how to remove hesitant, because it's my problem, and now I am facing this problem at this time, at this moment, in these days. Okay, and so first solution is this: friendship with mistake. Okay, so friendship with mistake, it means we can mistake while speaking English. Okay, so mistakes are part of journey, mistake are part of our life. So every time friendship with learning, friendship with mistakes. Okay, so that is very important factor. And second, speak simple English. Do not focusing on vocabulary, do not focusing on extraordinary words. Okay, while speaking, use simple sentence, use we thought, then use thought processing, and then speak or thought processing types. Okay, follow your thought process, do not follow other extraordinary vocabulary and extraordinary words. Not use these, because if you are beginner, like me. So speak, you speak, open your mouth and speak. Do not focusing on vocabulary and not focusing on proper making sentence. Only for speak, 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 speak. So that is very helpful for you. Okay. So speak simple English. Okay. Third point, start speaking daily. Start speaking daily. Do not break while speak English, while reading, while learn something, because you speak each and every day. Start daily reading, start daily speaking, start daily listening. So that is very helpful, because when we start daily in your habit, then our mind prepare to accept all things. Then our mind ready to uh, going on this way. So do not break consistency. The main thing is consistency. Okay, so when we speak, to start speaking daily, each and every topic. uh, you topic pen, so speak 5 to 6 line on pens. You phone, you speak 5 to 6 line on this topic. Okay, and you say this remote, speak 5 to 6 line on this remote. So okay, do not focus on break consistency. Please focusing on consistency and speak daily. So fourth point is make English a hobby. That is important. Habitual, कहते हैं ना कि किसी चीज के हैबिचुअल बनो. सो हैबिचुअल बनो एंड ट्राई टू मेक कनेक्शन English with English. So that is the most important factor. So these are the solutions of hesitant. And first we talk about reason, and then we talk about solutions. And if you agree with this, so you can like this video and comment this video. I will see you in the next video with other topic.